Hi guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to get a US phone number or any foreign phone number right from Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, or any part of the world that you find yourself for free. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. A lot of people are wondering and asking why US phone number? And this is where Habib comes in. Let me explain. Having a US phone number comes with a lot of benefits. Apart from having access to the American market without traveling to America, you have the privilege of signing up and accessing sites that we can make money from, like PayPal, Upwork, Fiverr, PPH, Pioneer. Is very easy with a US phone number. Also, you can register on international dropshipping sites or other services blocked in your country with this virtual US number without using a VPN. You can also use it to register on Facebook, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms instead of using your real phone number to protect your privacy online. This can be done on any smartphone. The only thing needed is an internet connection, one, and a virtual SIM card installed. What is a virtual SIM card? A virtual SIM card is a cloud-based mobile number that can be used to make calls and also receive messages via a mobile app. Simple as that. It allows you into a foreign country without changing your location and your mobile network provider. With all this, you can call your loved one abroad or in the state for cheap prices using VoIP, meaning Voice over Internet Protocol. Just as our usual email, FaceTime, and WhatsApp calls is very easy with a virtual US SIM. You can also buy data and access the internet with your new virtual US number without using a VPN. Now, let's start with a simple mobile app called Numero. And this is where you can get your new virtual US SIM or any country's SIM without a physical SIM and without providing so much information. You can also get a free US number by collecting coins in the coin center. I don't want to talk much. As I proceed, I will explain further how to get your free US number. Now, I have two important informations for you guys out there. One, use it for legal, things. Two, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So if you're on Android, head up to Play Store, and if you're on the other side, head up to App Store. And we are going to download the application called Numero. So without talking much, let me share my screen with you. So let's all download the Numero eSIM. Now, after downloading the app, this is how it looks like. So after loading, you can read it yourself. Numero eSIM, be local everywhere. So you're going to sign up with your email address and create an account also. So after we create the account, here we are going to register, and the registration, you have to register with your real number. As it is said, please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So in Ghana, our country code is +233. If you are in Nigeria, what is your country code? If you are in Cote d'Ivoire, your country code is +255. That's just by the way. So wherever you find yourself, just hit your country code. Proceed with your mobile number, your real mobile number. So after hitting up your real mobile number, as it is said, make sure this number is your real number. Why are they saying that? Because we will request number verification later to use our app features. So make sure you use your real phone number for the registration. So after registering, now here is the interface of the application and how it looks like. You can see a lot of features, and you can see phone numbers, buy mobile data. That's where you can buy data after buying the eSIM. But first of all, there are some phones that doesn't support eSIM. So if you know your phone doesn't support eSIM, I'm not sure you can register and get your eSIM here, but you can still try it out. So for you to check whether your mobile phone supports eSIM, just hit on *#06#, and when you see the EID number, meaning it supports. But you see only IMEI number, I'm not sure it supports. But with the EID, then it's good and you can proceed with that. So you can buy data, you can call credits, and you can do a lot of things. So now let's hit on mobile number. So when you hit on mobile number, you're going to see US special offer, you're going to see social media number, you're going to see mobile numbers, you're going to see toll free numbers. So let's hit on US numbers or US special numbers. So after hitting on it, this is how it will appear. You will see a lot of numbers, which goes for €4. So I think it's very easy and you can afford it, and it lasts for only 1 month. So you can give it a try on site that is blocked in your country, which is legal for only people in the US. You can take advantage of that and also make money, especially on Fiverr and Upwork. So when you see them like this, just hit on anyone, and under that you are going to see a lot of numbers to just hit it up. But the phone I'm using currently here, it doesn't support eSIM. Yeah, sorry for that. Now let's say you don't want to buy and you want to get the number for free. As I said, try it and see. Now we can try here and get our free US number or any foreign phone number for free by collecting 400 coins only. So you can participate in surveys, you can participate in challenges and games where it will lead you to getting this 400 points to get your free eSIM. Now if you want to get or enjoy it for more than 1 month, you can also share the link to your friends, and whenever they register with this account, you're going to get also more coins to lengthen your usage of this US number. So now let's hit on the free coin center, and let me show you something a bit here before we proceed. So as you can see, welcome to Coin Center, where you can collect coins and exchange them for a free US number for a month. You have earned 3 points to start. Why did I earn a 3 point? I earned 3 points because I registered with my email. For registering with your email only, you get 3 points. So after participating in surveys, you can also watch videos to get more coins and also participate in 4 more challenges. So with that, it helps you increase your coins to have access to the American number. So guys, I think this video makes sense. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And the rest of the process, you can go it through yourself, read it, and also have or participate in other games and get your chance of winning the American number. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educator, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Salam.